That should stream to YouTube. Let's. Okay. Oh, maybe. Oh, did YouTube redo their dashboard? Oh my God! Finally. Oh, okay. Okay. It works. It works. It works. Let's go.
Live
Um.
on both.
Yeah. On both. And stable.
Sure, on Twitch too.
Yeah. On both. On both. On stable upload and download. So I didn't adjust my. Well, actually, I don't really need to adjust my title. I don't know how to change my title on Twitch. I
Oh my
literally.
goodness, he's actually live on Twitch. You can just do it manually by going to the website. I'm pretty sure.
No, I know, I know. I don't. I just like I literally don't know how to change it on Twitch. Like I've never done it on Twitch. Um,
My God.
yeah, no. I gotta find it.
This is the appeal of Streamlabs, bro, because it just handles all that for you.
No, but oh my God. No, I I also need to find like background music at some point. That's non-copyrighted because I realized like even like
It's just,
crappy background music makes this so much more interesting to watch. Um,
it's just Google some copyright-free background music.
I could do that. I could do that. Yes. Hold on, how do I? Let me make sure things like stable
Best in
testing.
Spotify Premium, and then there's like a bunch of widgets you can add.
The haha the
You
ha.
already have Spotify Premium, don't you?
I do.
Okay, then you can open Spotify on your computer, and you can like add a widget that will show you like the chat like the current playing song, basically.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I
Uh,
saw something like that.
okay. How do I change the title for the life of me? Like mainstream.
Just hover over the title. Pretty
There
sure.
there's no title bar. I might have
Are
messed
you
it up.
logged in?
Yeah. No. Yes, I'm logged in. I'm watching. Yes, I'm watching it from my dashboard. No, I'm literally just trying to find it from. Hold on. There you go. Good job, buddy. Um, hold on. Because I think it's layout. Hold on. Let me just like. Can I
Oh wait,
reset
my
the
near
default?
has to update too.
Okay.
'Cause
Okay.
I'm
There we
gonna
go.
get
There we
version of
go.
that to compile Rust dependencies.
Huh?
And my near is updating too right now, so I have to compile Rust dependencies.
Damn, tough.
I
It
want to
says.
get version because
Yeah.
I like to I'm back to be on the bleeding edge.
Oh no. I know. It
I'm
it,
gonna
it
on
says
Rust.
that my average stream buried too high. Seriously. Okay. Can I fix that or can
Oh,
I
his Wi-Fi
change
is
that?
too good.
I know. I was gonna say. Wait, why can I not change my stream info? I literally that's all I want to do. I swear. Um, it's not stable. It's been perfectly at 6,000 for the last however long. Okay.
Green,
Huh? What now?
green,
Green? What? Huh?
green
Okay.
function.
Good talk. Good talk. Um.
Green function.
Oh my God, dude. Come on.
What?
Come on.
What?
Be decent. Okay. Why can I not use the quick actions? Oh my God. I can't use quick actions. Twitch. Uh, and create your dashboard. Possibly move some else right now. To edit. Oh, I know. Oh, that's it. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, reset to default. Then how do I save? There we go. Save. There we go. Now we can edit stream info. Title. I guess I'm just gonna copy stuff over from YouTube, because like, there's no reason not to. Um, go
Mm-mm.
live. Uh, I'm Rust playing dev stream. Collaborations. Oh yeah. You got some way future. Okay, so software. Can I? There's software and game development. Wonderful. Um, tags Rust Lang. Um, I just like tag with like generic things. I would show my stream dashboard, but I don't want to like. I feel like I would dox myself somehow. Um, no content
Someone
themes.
say doxing?
Bro, no. Oh my God. Not a rerun.
Oh my God.
So you need to add tags. So,
Okay, this is fun. I'll
uh,
move this to this monitor.
software development,
This
software
can go down. This comes up.
engineering.
This goes here.
Uh,
The
other
Dot
GitHub, I guess. I don't know,
maximize that.
man. Pirate software. I'm really tempted to.
11.
No, I was gonna say I'm tempted to add pirate software as a tag, but I'm gonna not do
Multi
that,
real.
dude. That'd be so funny. Okay, tortillas. I'm gonna add tortillas just because I want like more. I just want the name out there. It's not gonna like actually help anything, obviously. Okay, so that should be fine for now. Okay, done. What is that? Clip, rate, stream together, manage goals. Okay, wonderful. Okay, let me. I really gotta remove some of this, don't I? Edit layout. Okay, do I need? Can I just like slide those under? Oh, look at this is nice. Okay, I could. This is not half bad. I'm not gonna lie. Okay.
Told you.
Damn. I know. I'm not unimpressed by Twitch's dashboard. Like it's genuinely kind of nice. Um, yeah, I will
Okay,
actually
here's
like.
the setup that I'm using. Oh wait, my window manager just froze. Hello, can you still hear me?
Yeah. I can still hear you. You're just yeah. Um,
My second monitor just like broke. I don't know what
oh
happened.
my God. Can you invite me to Zed when you get that fixed? If you get that fixed. Sorry, I should just say it like that apparently, because yes. Okay. We should actually be good to go now. I should need to find my way back to the stream manager. I don't know how to do that. I'm lost. Okay, there it is. There are like 20 different buttons, and I do not know which one is which. Um, okay, let me. Where's it? Is there no? Oh, okay. There's the share button. YouTube changed everything, so
Wait,
now I'm like wildly confused. I cannot handle
I don't
change.
know what just happened. I don't know what just happened, to be honest.
Real. Good luck, buddy.
Yeah.
Good luck, little buddy. Good luck. Um, let me. Is there just no share button for my stream on Twitch? I guess. I guess not.
So there is a share button. What do you mean? You just paste your channel, the URL.
Oh, see, this is why I have you here. All
Here,
the
let me show you this how to set up your chat for your other monitor.
no,
Uh,
it's fine. I gotta.
no. You need to do this right. Do this
Okay,
right. It's
okay.
gonna be an active streamer. You gotta do this right.
Okay,
You know you
okay.
can pop out the YouTube chat to a new window, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you know you can do that with the Twitch chat too, right?
Yeah. But I
Okay.
just have it all in one window because I want to look at other stuff anyways. So
Really? Okay.
yeah. But yes,
Okay. So this is
I
what I
actually.
have.
Okay.
Windows Control S.
There's so many things on my screen, dude. It's so much. Okay.
This is what I have. Wait, no, not Windows Control
Just
S. It's like
just oh my God. Just invite me to whatchamacallit? Zed.
um,
Or just okay. Good
it's
talk.
like I have your chats ready to go. Hey, I got you. Hold on, I'm inviting. Give me a second.
He's not gonna invite me.
Hold on. My window manager just died. I have to like restart.
He's not gonna invite me.
Hold on, I'm launching it. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Have some uncommitted stuff. Says you're offline, buddy.
Yeah, I'm literally online. I'm logged in. Yes, I am logged in.
Does it say I'm online for you?
Let me look. What am I not? Okay, Zed is just not working. It says I'm
There
signed
you go.
in, but
Now you're online.
hold on.
RPC request failed.
No. Yeah, that's because I disconnected. Because okay,
Bro.
try now. Okay, there's definitely a bug in this version, but I tried to. You can
Now
try it
you're
again.
online.
Okay, there we go. Oh my God. I see what you got.
Yep.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. No, I could do something like that. I don't really like doing that. Okay, let me like go over there and
Yep.
then okay. Yeah, I know. You'll live. Okay. Okay, so what was the diff from last time? Here, I just look actually. Um, okay, so we merged back to refactor actors. Um, wait. We did or did not merge back to refactor actors? No, we did not. Wait.
No, we did.
Okay.
That's why we're back on this. That's why we're already doing the pure stream stuff. I mean
Right.
the pure actor stuff.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Um. Okay. Hold on. Let's go to that branch. Look at the diff.
You were. Okay.
Huh?
You were, okay. Type. No, nothing. Never mind.
I like looking at it in GitHub. I
Huh?
swear.
Huh? Mm-hmm.
It's just personal. Okay. It's just personal. Okay. Oh wait. Have you made any changes since? Hold on. We did next. We did.
Earlier or
Yeah. Have you made any changes since I got off? Other than the one.
yeah, some minor stuff. I made I made us respond to keep alive messages, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send keep alive messages if the last peer's message um if the peer sends a message and we don't receive no okay, what am I saying?
You got this. You got this.
I think on the .next how it's running a loop constantly.
Mhm.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah. Are you not?
Okay.
Are you not hearing me?
I can hear you now. But
Okay.
yeah.
You
So
know what I'm saying.
the peer I mean you have the next function that runs the loop constantly that has the Tokyo select.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about having a
Yeah.
I'm thinking about having some logic there that will send a keep alive basically.
Mhm. Okay. Um.
Every if the last message that the peer sent was too long ago, then we'll send a keep alive.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't respond within like a certain amount of milliseconds, like a certain amount of time,
Mhm.
then we just kill the peer connection because we just assume it's dead.
Okay. I mean, that seems fine. I think. Uh.
So right now, I made it where we respond to keep alives automatically.
Yeah. Okay. Um. Yeah. Wait. Okay. So we respond to keep lives already. Um.
Mm.
But we don't send keep lives is what you're saying.
Exactly, yes.
Okay. Okay. I guess what's the easiest way to do that? Is that just gonna be um. It's gonna be
We need
something
a
that.
function that can run in the background that well we can either put in the dot in the next function, which will
Mhm.
be ran in the loop, or
Mhm.
you can put a Tokyo spawn for it.
Okay. Well, I mean, yeah, I was gonna say like, why not just for something this simple, and this minuscule, like, why not just go into the on start and just do like, I don't know, okay, so
Tokyo spawn.
yeah, like literally just Tokyo spawn, async move, what would this be? So this would um, be loop, and it'd be sleep for duration from, why am I getting no type hinting whatsoever? There we go.
Oh, it's because I'm doing something right now.
Okay, no, okay, we're good now. From seconds 120, and then like we just oh, getting the stream there would be hard though because we can't clone that. Um, so okay, that would make it a lot harder because then we're back dealing with lifetimes and stuff. So
Yeah.
what's the best way to get around that?
Well, the
Um,
.next function does, I believe, have mutable access to self.
okay,
So I think we can run it there
okay,
before we run the check or before we actually run the check for incoming messages, we can have a check there for the last message that we received.
hmm,
And if it's for too long, then we can send a keep alive message. And if the last keep alive was too long ago, then we just disconnect the peer.
okay, okay. That seems
So we can
reasonable.
just kill it.
Okay, should we do that in the stream.receive part of the Tokyo select though, and not the mailbox?
It should be just before all of that, because the stream.receive part of the thing is like when they send a message. So that's a
Well,
ran every time they send a message.
well, yeah, but we don't want to send a keep live if we haven't gotten message just from the mailbox though, so it should be here now.
Let me just hold on 1 second. Let me
Yeah.
come to where you are.
Yeah.
We're in
79 protocol mod RS.
okay. Okay. So no, because it should be up here before it's like this. Like,
Why?
this is when they send us a message. Remember,
Mm-hmm.
we already handled the. So this coerces the message that they send us from the stream into the sphere message that will then be parsed down here.
Yeah,
So
but
we already handled that the response here.
mm-hmm.
See the right here
Yeah. I
line
know.
131.
I know.
So this handles the keep alive response basically.
Yeah, but we can still check. Oh, because they've already sent. Okay, I'm being stupid.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that seems about
So
right.
this is ran in a loop, basically in a while loop constantly.
Okay. Should be self dot peer dot wait, last hold on, dot last message received dot last. Okay, so then so if delf dot last message dot received, is there a
I'm
helper
sure you can just
function?
do I'm pretty sure you can just do a minus in this.
Minus, okay, minus duration from minutes.
It should just be no, it should be like should subtract it from now or something. I think there might there might
Oh,
be a helper function. We have to first
right.
unwrap this though.
Yeah.
Let's
Okay,
unwrap this first, and then duration since are elapsed.
Okay.
Duration dot elapsed. As text greater than 15 self dot
Keep
what am I
the
spelling?
wrong part.
Self
Keep
dot stream then keep alive. Then it should just be that simple. Your connection close.
Should we be
Well, how about
wait
this? We should do this.
greater than 10? Why 10?
So no, wait. So 10, and then we'll do another check. If it's greater than 15, then we'll just disconnect the field.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, okay. I see what you're doing. Okay.
Last message. Well, let last message equals.
Is there a function for that with actorref? Or not actorref. Wait. Yeah, is it just actorref.kill? I feel like I saw that somewhere.
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
That's not a function.
Well, because we have a weak actor ref right now. Hold on.
Okay.
It should be like an actor ref dot upgrade dot kill or something.
Okay.
Or dot stop or something.
Dot upgrade dot.
Okay.
Let me see if this is. Hold on. You might have. Oh, okay. Just a dot. Expect to unwrap actor upgrade unwrap failed whatever dot kill. Okay, let's see, there's like a helper function called stop or anything. No, I don't want to process all messages in the mailbox. Okay. definitely need to document this. Okay. Here. Disconnects the peer killing the actor if a received within the last 15 seconds. Only after sending a keep alive message. Only after sending a keep alive message when only sending a keep alive message when a message has not been received within the last 10 seconds. That seems fine. Do we have an enum variant for that? No. Cool. Okay. Self-appear the ID. We do that. The thing. Okay. Temporary value drop while borrowed. Increase the temporary value which is freed while still in use. Huh? Oh. Okay, it does not. Oh my god. You can just clone it, man. You can just clone it.
I guess.
Oh. Huh? Huh?
It's because I added a lifetime to this. I need to remove the lifetime.
Oh.
Let's have it taken at just raw.
Okay.
Remove.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
That should fix that, and then we should be able to go here. Okay, we shouldn't need to clone this because we can just give it ownership. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, okay, we're good. Okay. So now this should tell the supervisor to remove from the hash from the dict. And then we kill. Well, actually, the supervisor should kill us for ourselves. He should kill. I don't think we need to run the kill manually.
Is
It
that
does.
okay?
The supervisor will kill it for us.
Okay.
There's no need to do this.
Okay, so in that case, we also add note there. The supervisor will kill the peer manually. No need to do it ourselves. Okay. Let me look at diffs. Okay, what else did you do?
Let's change that to 20. Actually, I'm gonna add some constants for that just in case we need to change that. Const. Here. Keep live timeout.
Okay.
Equals 5.
That's probably smart.
U64. Magic numbers are bad.
I know.
Here.
I'm gonna change it. Okay, so you do that.
Here. This neck timeout equals 20. Do 10. This will disconnect the peer automatically if it hasn't sent a message to us within 20 seconds.
Okay.
Here. Keep alive timeout.
Okay, let me. Wait. Okay.
So we now handle keep alives
All right.
essentially.
If you're done there, let me go through. Oh, actually, hold on. Let's see if we can fix some of these clippy errors before I commit. But let me commit that. Um, lifetime parameter is never used.
There's an error here.
I think it was just a lifetime. Oh, lifetime parameter was never used, but it's defined a few times throughout this file. Um, hold on.
Oh, okay. I see
Yeah,
what it is. Yeah,
yeah,
because I added lifetimes to that
yeah.
thing, and
Okay.
it's gone.
And there's just a bunch of like unused code.
Okay, it's fine.
You want to?
Unused code is gonna happen for now.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I mean, we could like actually try and or not fix it, but add the thing the macro that disables that, but it's not really worth it. Um,
Hmm.
okay, so here let me commit this first. So I'm gonna commit the uh disconnect stuff first. So here, stage that, um, stage that.
Also, it also relies on actually here no, I'm gonna stage some of the stuff in the torrent file and add that as a separate commit. The torrent model rest, so
No,
this
no,
would technically be separate.
uh, I would it be though? Because we changed the lifetimes specifically so we could work with the. Well, I guess here we can always unstage this
Well,
stuff and then commit that first. That make more sense.
yeah, so I was thinking we commit this first.
That seems fair.
So I'm gonna stage this change,
Hold on, let me
stage this change,
I think just everything. Oh, wait, actually, not.
stage,
No, yeah,
stage,
everything in the
stage,
mod rs
stage.
file.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
everything in there. All right,
Well, actually, yeah, everything in this file
okay.
should be staged. Okay,
Feet.
should be a refactor.
Oh, yeah, right.
Make
Refactor.
this should just be refactored and make
Change lifetimes on. Well, remove lifetimes.
this should just be make tracker make torrent message take ownership over kill peer and kill tracker.
Okay, can I do descriptions
Yeah,
instead just by doing two
sure.
new lines?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. Uh, this makes torrent message take ownership of the data of the no, well, not data of the variables in each variant. Wonderful. Okay. That's the only thing that's added, so we commit that. Okay. Okay. Then next thing is the keep alive logic, which is just like a few things. So it's that, and then make sure there's nothing unused there. I don't think there is, but well, actually, no, because IO is unused. Um, okay, I think that's it, and then definitely that. I'm just gonna stage all the imports because I don't know what is or isn't used. It's not really that big of a deal, anyways. Um,
Mm.
okay, so it's just that because that's unrelated. That's all in the handle function. Okay, so that is a feat um, implemented uh, automatic disconnect um, after period of no messages being sent. That's poorly worded. How can I word that better? Implemented automatic disconnect after period of no messages being sent. Hold on. I got this. I don't got this. Implemented automatic disconnect period. For peer.
You good?
No, I'm just trying to figure out how to word this commit message. That should be fine.
Implement im, implement here your timeouts and automatic disconnect.
Okay, close enough. Yeah, there we go. That seems. Hold on, but there's nothing about timeouts in there though. No.
Oh no, we're timing out the peer. That means that we're
Oh,
killing it.
okay.
You know what a timeout is?
Yes, yes, yeah. Okay, yes, yeah. Just it's just weird to say it like that in this context. Okay, okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
okay, okay, okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay, okay, okay. Yes, I think it's fine. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Okay. All right. Is that good?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. So we only commit that. Okay. I don't know what these changes are, if they are ready to be committed or if there's still more work to do there.
Well, you created an error in that last commit, but it's fine. It's whatever.
Huh?
The last commit has an error in it because you forgot to commit this line, line 120. That change,
Ah, damn it.
yeah,
Okay. Well,
whatever, it's fine.
um, I here. I'll just commit as a fix real quick. Wait, what is it? Oh, okay. Well that wasn't changed. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We're chilling. We're chilling. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Mm.
Here, we'll just commit it in whatever the next commit. Well, actually, no. We should go and commit now. Okay. What? You just changed the type of context. What did you do?
No, basically, context has like a import overlap with anyhow context,
Oh.
basically.
Okay.
So that's to rename cameo context to that's to rename the context to cameo context to specify basically
Okay. Um.
because of the name conflict.
Yeah. Added rename for cameos context struct. Okay, I'm just gonna commit that one line separately. See,
Yep.
see. Okay. Okay. What's this other stuff that you did? I don't know if that was. I don't know what part of stuff that
Uh,
was.
this stuff right here will just send a keep alive message if they send us one.
But like also the stuff with the peace message and then the request message.
Let me see. What line?
169 protocol mod RS.
Oh yeah, so this is when someone requests a message, requests a piece from us,
Mm.
we forward that request to the supervisor, and then we send them a piece response. I'm pretty sure.
Okay, okay. Okay, do we want to uh, do we just want to finish everything else in handle peer and then commit that?
Yeah, sure,
Okay.
that's it.
Yeah. Here I will take a look at extended message because I think that's gonna be. I don't know what it's gonna be. It should be some like copying stuff over from um the original handle
Yeah,
peer. I'm not sure. Um, yeah,
let me
I'll do that.
see. We need to send our. Wait, do we send our bit field on start? No.
Uh, I know because we, well, yes, but we asked for it first, and then when we,
Oh yeah, we asked for the supervisor for the bit field, and
yes,
then we send it.
yeah. By the way, where are we handling messages from the supervisor?
The supervisor doesn't send messages to us. That's not how it works.
No, no, I know, but when we ask for something, how do we handle responses?
It's just return.
It's literally, okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
No comment, Your
yeah.
Honor. No comment. Okay. Um, okay, that seems fine. Okay. Let me go down here and look for the stuff for this. Oh, there is that request piece helper function. I think you already, but yeah, you kind of already did that. However you wanted to do it. So, all right, and then handle extended message. So, that's such a nasty function. Oh my god. Okay, well, I guess, 'cause it's pure actor, isn't it? Okay, so I guess I could just do, yeah, no, I mean, a lot of this I could just kind of do self dot, I could refactor some of it, but it's fine. Okay. Okay. I got this. I got this. Everybody calm down.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Probably still gonna need the info hash. Don't need any of that. Okay, let's start there. I know you were gonna be fine. Okay, so self dot. Oh right, we're refactoring all of this. Okay. Yippee. Okay, so that's gonna have to be modified. Okay, whatever. What is extended ID? Extended ID should be. I think we might make that constant, maybe. Um,
Weapon? What are
no,
you
no,
looking at?
no, it's fine. I'm just talking to myself. Um, I know.
Mm.
Oh, right. So now, I suppose, do I want to? I should put these helper functions into
The
uh,
actor, yeah.
yeah, into actor, so I can
Yeah.
access the stream in that function. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got this. Don't worry. I'm a I'm a professional. If you couldn't tell, hire me. Peer actor. Wait, yeah, I did I said peer actor. Okay. All that stuff. I think that's like yeah. Async function self dot peer dot socket header. Let's have intersend tx. We want to. Okay, so we're going to modify this a little bit. That's fine. Then, oh, I had to like delete that, did I? Yeah, I could just actually do this, and then instead of just deleting the entire thing, what was that mad about? Oh, right, okay, well that's still gonna be mad about that. Whatever. Down to Charles. Come here, Charles. There you go, buddy. Come here.
Yeah, let's see.
Yoink.
Okay, what else needs to be converted? So you have cancel, extended, handshake. Received unexpected handshake from Peter. Yeah, because we already received handshake. What other messages could we receive? Well, I think that's it. So those are all the messages we sent them our bit field. If they send us their bit field, we have that.
Mm.
And then there's like also the have. Yeah.
Mm.
I should probably so have is indicates that the peer successfully that a peer successfully download piece.
Okay, so this. So,
Wait, so have means that that peer has successfully downloaded a piece. So that
yes.
means that we should update their bit field in self.
Oh, yes. I did not think about that. Thank you.
How do I do this? What am I doing? Not in JavaScript, bro.
You got this, man.
Put
You got
this
this.
instead of I put this instead of self. Peer pieces dot that's
Needs to be
pieces
box.
activity.
Okay. Box. New.
Okay, so that will make that do what it needs to do. Okay, that's good.
Some.
Have
That, I think. Oh, it does want that. Okay. I'll be damned.
us
That should just. I should be able to change that because Should be all right. Wonderful. Okay, that throws up here. Okay, then I can delete this old stuff. Okay. Let's trace peer adder. And then equals self dot peer dot socket adder. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna leave that there. Okay. Send extended handshake. To expect.
In the torrent instance, we should have a global message that we send to all peers, like a need
Yeah.
piece message, basically, where you just send the index.
Yeah.
Like an optional offset, like if we only need a specific part of the piece,
Mm-hmm.
it should have that in as a message from torrent, and we should listen for that message and then go from there inside the peer that we should send to every single peer that we have.
Okay.
Basically.
Okay. Yes. Yes, definitely. Uh-huh. I'm gonna act like I understand all of that. Something went wrong when sending the extended message check. Okay. What do we use instead of M? Supported extensions. What do you think? Oh, CPP? Absolutely not. I would. Seifu, how do you feel about CPP? C++.
C++.
Yeah.
If you ever say that language name again, I'm going to leave.
Yep. That's how we feel about C++.
Okay. We don't like C++ here. We're
No,
Rust
no,
developers.
we don't.
If I see software is built with C++, I just leave. Joke by the way. Joke by the way. My window manager's written in Rust. Skill issue is crazy. Skill issue is crazy.
That's supposed to be supported extensions. Supported extensions. Back, paste. This should be some supported extent. Oh my god, supported extensions. Dude, after living with Vimotions for like 1.5 years, I genuinely do not know how people live without Vimotions. I would literally die, dude. I could not.
I've been using it for like I think the past year now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah.
What? Nah, I'm chilling. But what you guys writing right now? What does it even do? You know what torrenting is, or what BitTorrent means and stuff like that? I believe Oscar has a video on it if you want to learn more about what torrenting is and how it works and
Shameless
stuff.
plug.
Hashtag ad. Hashtag ad.
Yeah.
But,
Hashtag ad. Jeez.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nutshell, I'll let Oscar explain it since he's a YouTuber here.
Well, here. Okay. So, what we're doing right now. So every torrent has a collection of peers that have the pieces or some pieces.
I don't know what a torrent is, Oscar.
He said yes. He said yes. Yeah. No, you're good.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. So every torrent has peers, and those peers have at least some pieces for that torrent. This right here is handling. Okay, so when we want to interact with a peer, instead of doing that, oh, hold on. This is a perfect opportunity to bust out Excalibur. Okay, so every time we want to interact with a peer, right? So we have 3 peers. Say with 3 peers. Every time we want to interact with a peer, we don't want to have to make every interaction from whatever our central node is. In this case, our central node is just a struct called torrent. Um, so we don't want to have to interact and make every single interaction from torrent. That would be extremely tiresome, and there are so many issues with that. So what we do is we use this thing called an actor model or an actor framework. I think the terminology differs, but uh, so we every peer basically handles themselves. Um, with the exception of a few things, a few obvious things like sending the pieces back to the main node, again, torrent. Uh, I don't want to delete all of that. If we get a piece from a peer, we don't want to just keep that piece on the peer. We send it back to torrent. Uh, but with the exception of that, everything is handled on each peer separately, which makes memory, lifetime issues, and all of the above a lot easier to manage and deal with. So this stuff right here is managing the extended handshake, which is a not a subsection, but a type of BitTorrent message, and that I think. Well, yeah, no, it's just a type of message that is very lengthy compared to the other types of messages. So all of this stuff is just helper functions, and we're currently migrating this stuff from the old way that we wrote this to this way. So a lot of this is just refactoring and moving stuff over to use the actor model that I talked about. That was a long monologue. Anyways,
Very.
yeah, I
Okay.
know.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I don't think we need that anymore. Um,
I'm creating a peer. So I'm realizing that we should probably rename um we should rename the torrent request and torrent message and torrent response to torrent ask and torrent tell,
oh yeah, that'd be smart.
because
And
that'll get the terminology better, and also we already have a peer messages enum. That's a problem.
yeah, and we are writing our own torrent program. So yeah, the idea is that this is going to be the library, um, and then we'll have a separate crate to act as the actual TUI that uses this library. But say if
Yeah,
we wanted to make a library because he wants to use this in other projects down the road.
but it's supposed to be a TUI terminal. I mean it's TUI BitTorrent client basically, similar to like transmission and eTorrent.
Yeah. Um, no field
Go from
info.
scratch in Rust.
Yeah. No field info on type. Oh, right. Okay, I guess it should be. Is this peer info? No, not peer. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with me? Wait, what? Oh, right. No, that is info, isn't it? Oh, right. Um, I was gonna say okay. Um, it says self dot peer. Um, and then like this we need to modify because this shouldn't be intersend tx anymore. But it's gonna obviously yell at me again. What is that mad about? Okay, I think that's fine. I can just do that later. Okay, and like this does need all of these channels being passed in. So you take the intersend tx out, and this should be self.peer.socketadder. I'll just go to next self peer.info peer.info self peer.info self. This is gonna be a lot of self.peer.infos if you couldn't tell. Okay, this should send them. Oh, right. This is actually requesting the metadata. So this should be. Okay, this is just requesting the metadata, nothing else. So it should only be self.stream dot send peer message oh peer wait huh oh okay type hinting is going out the window Your message is extended. That should be the. I literally just saw. Oh, there we go. Self.peer.bep09id, and then I think extend. That should be empty. Yeah, I said yeah. That should just be some extended message. But we're just gonna do some extended message, and then none here, and then we're gonna do actually. Well, here let's just do let message. Equals this. We go up here. We go down. We go back so I can actually see what I'm doing. Message. Wait. Don't expect. Something went wrong in sending the message. You always wondering what that. Oh, yeah. No, he normally stays there a lot more. He's very antsy tonight for some reason. Thank you. He's very chill until you touch his tail, and then he tries to bite you. He does not like his tail being touched. Extend message. Did not find value. Oh, right. That would help if I did that, and then went to that, went to that, then that needs to be boxed. I don't know why that's a box. I think it's like, oh right, it's the type. It's the linting error, whatever we got with that. Okay. Okay, I think that should be handled in a second. That's just not used. Okay, that's not used at all apparently. My own ad tracing there. We're gonna act like it's not happening though. Tracing, never heard of her. Self.peer.
Those last words.
What? Huh?
Is that famous last words?
No, that's fine. That's fine. It's fine. Okay. And then this should be. So I think. Oh yeah. Yeah. We want to send the metadata back to the torrent struct, right?
What do you mean send what metadata?
When we get the metadata back from the extended message, we want
what's in the metadata?
The infodict.
Infodict?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, I already have a message for that ready.
Wonderful. All right. So that's just self dot supervisor dot tell. Wait. Tell. Oh yeah. Tell is one way, then ask is both ways.
Yeah.
Torrent message.
Remember, we shouldn't verify if that info hash is correct.
Yep.
It's done inside the engine.
Oh, okay. So we. Oh, okay. Hold on. I'm gonna have to modify that then. Thank you for reminding me of that. Validate metadata. That's also really poor type or function naming by me, because the validate metadata function also sends the metadata, which is.
Yeah, there's a few instances of that where send handshake also asks for a handshake to be received. It doesn't really make much sense, but it's okay.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
Well, where this is. Oh, right, because we're actually on. I still need to handle. I still need to make sure we have all bytes. So if self.info.all have all bytes, then we actually do this.
So confused.
Huh?
I'm gonna check the. I'm trying to figure. I'm gonna go to the docs for a bit back because I'm trying to figure out something.
I'm editing the wrong line. Man, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. Okay. find. There we go. Or it's a little bit up past this. That should just be self at some point, I guess. There we go. Okay, up here. Okay.
Wait, are we using bitvec or bitfield? Those are two completely separate libraries.
Bitvec? Question mark?
Yeah, we're using bitvec. Okay.
What does
So I
it
think we
say?
should probably upgrade that later on because I think they have a new version.
Okay. Duly noted.
Oh, never mind. They don't. I'm just tripping. Never mind.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
info dot. Can I just get like self dot peer dot info bytes. Oh, are you happy with that? Are you actually? No way. No way. You're actually happy with that. Okay. Okay. That is reasonable. Okay. So then instead of validate metadata, no, the yeah the network stuff is a lot. You get used to it over time, but I think it almost adds like a third dimension to your programming. You know, like you have like your
Definitely.
yeah, you have like your basic scripting, and then you add object oriented programming as like your second dimension, and then networking and concurrency and like all that fun stuff just adds another layer of confusion. At least for me, I think most
Yep.
others would agree.
And then you cry because your performance of your app is I/O bound.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Um, okay, I think this all looks good. Let me make sure this works. This needs to be self-handle. Oh, what are you mad about? Huh? Oh, right. You want something to be like box, don't you? Um, Seifu, what does IO bound mean?
Um, what is I/O bound? Oh, it means that your basically the bottleneck of your program is stuff like I/O, and I/O means input output, but in programming normally it means stuff like file operations and things that are over the network aren't that speed aren't dependent on your CPU basically or your memory. It's based on things like your disk speed or your network or your Wi-Fi speed. And that's an IO bound operation. So something like making a GET request to a server, that's an IO bound operation because the speed of the operation depends on how fast your Wi-Fi is and how fast the server is on doing whatever operation it's doing. So yeah, that's IO bound operations. And what we're writing is heavily IO bound because it's a
Yeah.
literal torrent client. And most of the functionality is just handling multiple peers over a network and writing it to disk, which are two very IO bound uh, interactions. So yeah,
Yeah.
IO
Yeah.
bound programming.
Well, there you have it, folks. Um, can I just put the extended message in a box and call it a day? Your program faster. Here's all. We can, but the
It's
bounds.
more so
Go
it's
ahead, go
more
ahead.
so bottlenecked by the network more than the program itself than
Yeah.
anything. Like we can obviously make our program more memory efficient and handle each peer better, but the maximum amount of peers is what I'm trying to say is the fault point would be the person's network before it would be the program itself, if that makes sense. So we could have the most inefficient program ever that would eat up a ton of memory per peer and would be horrible, but the thing that would fail first would be the network. That's what would make it stop working versus our lackluster memory management,
Yeah.
essentially.
And that's
Yeah.
also the other thing is like realistically, uh, well, yeah, he'll hear for like 50,000 active torrents. I mean, you really, uh, that's the thing. Like, you wouldn't. I don't think you'd ever see that much of a bottleneck. The especially with modern languages and modern computers. 50,000 sounds like a lot. Um, One, the chance that someone actually has that running on a generic laptop is slim to none. Two, while designing this with performance in mind will help that run, I I really genuinely don't think that 50,000 active torrents, uh, with 100 of them being active, would be much of a bottleneck or a slowdown. Not a bottleneck, but Seifu might be able to
Yeah.
speak on that a bit more.
Yeah, the bottleneck again would be more so based on your disk speed and your network before the program would really matter. Like obviously less memory usage is going to be like a plus, I guess, but it's still more so dependent on your network speed, I would say.
Yeah. I don't think we use info hash in here at all. 'Cause I feel like we don't. I feel like I can remove it. But I'm not sure. Let's look here. Um, handle looks like metadata. So from here, actually, yeah, no, we don't need the info hash anymore, do we? Yeah, no, we don't, because we're doing all of our validation in the torrent struct itself. Okay, wonderful,
Yes.
great. That makes my life easier, and I love that. Okay, right. Handle accept messages. Okay, I'm guessing. I think that all the other errors are just um, in the old implementation because, well, I changed a bunch of stuff and now it's mad at me. Um, so I wonder, like, yeah, 'cause like this here, because I changed a few things. I didn't realize that I no longer need them. So here, for now, let's restore this stuff. Um, and hopefully that means we don't have to do a bunch of like manual changing. You store that. What did I delete there? Store that. Even though this logic is not correct, doesn't really matter because I guess I'll store that too. We didn't really want to change this in the first place. Okay, what are two other errors? Um,
There for me, I'm trying to
oh,
figure out
very good.
so retrieving so I retrieved a index from Bitfield and I'm trying to figure out how to coerce it back into a Boolean because you can insert a Boolean into a Bitfield, but I'm trying to figure out how to get this value back because this you'd assume piece exists would be a Boolean, but it's actually this weird type called a bitref,
Yeah.
which I don't really know what to do with.
Huh.
So I am confused on how this works.
Okay. So here, make sure I understand what you're doing.
Well, what we can do, I think, is to be like self dot peer dot pieces and go like what index?
Yeah, there
Does
might be
this
a
work?
helper for that too. I'll look at the documentation for bitref though. Um, no, not okay. Bitref, bitback,
A
compressed.
equal
Bitfec pointer
A
bitref.
is oh wait no it's just like that okay interesting.
I was gonna say yeah, I was gonna say I
We
think you
can
should be able to do that.
yeah okay so we can just do this self dot and just index that. So if piece exists, if piece this then
We
then we
cite
just return.
other one. Boop
Okay,
and boop. Look at
okay, and then receive
bitref
self.
though.
uh,
Clone from
Supervisor.
bitref.
Self
Uh,
dot
max min clone.
stream dot
Can't.
send here
Okay, we should just do it there.
messages request request
Okay,
request
we do this, don't we?
index.
You we want to handle the bit field. Okay, do we want to do anything with the bit field yet, or is that's gonna be a
What do you
future
mean?
commit, right? Um,
What do you mean?
when we
Well, we're
get
converting everything that was in handle peer into the actor model for peer actor. No?
okay, yeah. So we're really just gonna send it back to the engine for now. Um,
Then what back to the engine? What are you working on?
the each bit field,
What do you
'cause
mean?
that's what was
Like,
in handle peer.
move around real quick.
Oh right,
Okay.
yeah. This little tidbit, because could the old way we did it was sending it back to the engine. That's not what we're going to do in the future, of course, but doing anything else would be out of the scope of this PR, I think.
Yeah. Well, eh. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, we don't really need to send it back to the back to the
The engine or the
back to the
torrent.
torrent.
Yes.
Yeah, because the torrent will just request the bitfold from us when like the torrent can request the peer's bitfield at any time, basically.
Okay. But didn't we
There's a
talk about
message for
doing
it.
the rarest piece, whatever
Yeah,
algorithm
we
we
can. Yeah, we would request the bitfield when we need it.
All right. Um.
So we can move the unimplemented now since we already
Yeah.
implemented that.
Yeah. Um. Okay. So just update the bit field. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So
If
now we request
let me look through this real quick. I guess.
uh this your request. You send the index B. Just past the index.
I'm not trying to
Begin
ruin your fun.
length.
Um, do
Wait,
we
expect.
do we never have any plan to use the actor ref in on start?
What do you mean? Oh, the actor F normally in that situation is used to link, and I completely remove linking because I don't think we need it
Yeah.
right
What?
now or for anything. Um,
Oh, right. Because linking just automatically tells the other actor if something happens and it kills itself.
if it,
Like
yeah, basically,
literally.
yeah. If it
Yeah.
fails, it, yeah. So I just removed it all entirely, and I don't think there's anything else we would need other than sending messages manually to ourselves.
Okay. I'm just gonna put an underscore there if it's not gonna be used for sake of linting. Okay. Contacts.
Okay.
Actually, well, there
As
might be. Okay.
U32, as U32, as U32.
One thing for
Okay.
code quality, would you prefer a? Hold on. Would you prefer me to just put an underscore on any variables that we aren't going to use in um
Don't
function?
put the underscore before it. Just make the name of the variable an underscore.
Okay. I was gonna say I will that or just do the allow macro or macro whatever it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I feel like that's probably gonna be a little bit better. It's more precise at least. All right. I'm gonna go through and do that for some of these. What is the Cameo context? Cameo context Rust. Cameo. I just want to see the context, please. Oh my God. Context. Okay, so you reply center. What else can you do? Reply. Forward. Try forward. Not really much interesting. Okay, I think that we will be fine without that for now. Okay. Was it yellow? Oh my God, that's a lot. Okay, I guess we'll worry about that later. Okay. That seems great. This actor model is like really super awesome for like everything.
Yeah. It's like
Uh,
exactly what we needed for what we're doing.
yeah, seriously. Um, how why do you think you are never used? What? To, hold on.
Well, if what's using it is also never using it, like, you know.
Yeah, no, but
So if whatever's using that struct or enum or whatever isn't used too, then it still counts as not being used.
huh? No, it's literally used unless I'm. No, no, yeah, no,
What
it's used and still
what's
saying.
what's used? What?
Here, hold on. Handle extended message or here, just jump to me.
This
Am I missing something? If you jump to the definition, it'll say it's not used.
that's that's fine to me. I don't see any clippy errors for this line.
Huh? For line 76?
Oh, 70. Oh, I'm on 7707. 76.
Oh, okay.
Oh, extended message. Yeah, but it's because see if you hover over the error, it shows you
Wait,
as it's send extend handle extended handshake. So I'm assuming all the functions that call this function just
oh, are unused
aren't
too.
being used. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah,
Oh, my bad, my bad.
yeah.
But
So
huh?
yeah,
I don't get it, but handle should be used. I don't know, whatever. Um, um, fail to tell supervisor to kill peer. Oh, my my language or I just died. Oh, okay. Well, oh well.
no, really,
I
that's
don't.
fine.
I
Restart it.
don't know. Yeah, yeah, I will. Failed to tell. Wait, hold on. Failed to send. Keep live message to peer.
And
Oh,
also,
what
in
is
these
going on?
debugs, I'm just gonna create a instrument so you don't have to put the peer adder in each one.
Okay.
So we can remove that.
Yeah, yeah. That sounds logical. Oh, why is my cat cam gone? Oh my god. Oh, oh no. Not the cat cam. It's one thing. It's one thing.
Oh, field adder. What are you mad about now?
What?
Oh,
Okay. Okay, there we go.
protocol.
Great mailing leader.
Self dot
Yeah, all of this.
self dot stream. Okay. Adders. So then.
This. You might have to go ahead and commit the stuff in handle peer.
Handle. What do you mean?
All of the logic that we implemented in handle peer. So um any
Sure.
connections.
Just remove the peer adder from logging. So
Oh,
if you see like peer adder and logging, just remove it.
and yeah, put that instrument in instead. Okay. Let me
Yeah, I already put it there. Hey.
hold on. You gotta put it on here. Wait, let me just find it. There we go. Will that cover all? Will that instrument cover all sub functions too?
Yeah,
Oh,
pretty sure. Yeah,
sweet.
it'll be in the tree. Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. All right. Um, nice. I do quite enjoy that. Okay, that about does it. But we don't need this anymore. Yep. You're doing that. Okay.
That should be good. So we don't need any logging inside of here because that is in the instrument.
Yeah.
it will have protocol and the address nodes
Hmm.
appear, and that should be good.
You're not, but make sure you don't beef up the uh instrument too much because it gets really hard to read traces.
Yeah, this should be fine. This should just have the socket address and the protocol. It should just be UTP or TCP,
Yeah. That should be great.
so we
Okay.
should be fine.
Okay. Sounds good. Um. Okay. Yeah. Do I
Yeah.
go ahead and commit that now? Is there anything else you want to do for the handle function?
Uh, I think that's it. I don't. What else would need to be done by the peers? I'm
I don't
pretty
think.
like, what else would the peers need to do?
I
Right
think that's
now, it
good.
handled almost every use case. We, if they choke us, we debug. Peer choked us. Interested. Oh yeah, we need to figure out when to send interested.
Oh, right. Are we okay? Are we sending an interested at some point at least?
Yes.
Let me find my.
So how about we handle interested when they send their bit field, which would be in the bit field message right here.
That seems fine. Yeah, that seems appropriate. Maybe,
So I'm
hopefully.
gonna make a function call. Oh, well, I'm gonna make it call a function called self dot handle interest handle interest, and it should take in mute self
Okay.
and be async. So I'll wait that.
Here, let me look for any of the other. Um,
We wouldn't. We haven't created that function yet.
no,
All
I
basically
know, I know.
all it would do is it should run some kind of XOR
Mm-hmm.
on the you should run an XOR on our bit field versus their bit field,
Mm-hmm.
um, and check for any truthies, and if there's any truthies, then send an interest. If there isn't, send a not interested.
Okay, but wait. What? Truthies?
Truthies, that means true.
Oh,
So that
truthies.
means one.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. Sorry, I thought you said like truthies or something. I was very confused.
Oh.
Okay.
So that would be that should be a very simple and fast operation, honestly.
Yeah. That should be fine. Even if the bit feels longer, should still be all right.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. And I read up Bitvec will compress itself automatically, so it should be really fast and really efficient.
Wonderful. Great. Cool.
Thank goodness we use like an actual library for this instead of what
Mhm.
we were going to do originally, which would be like a hash map.
Oh my god. He's so bad, dude.
Yeah. Yeah. Holy memory usage.
I know. Seriously, tell me about it. Um, okay.
Honestly, we should just probably store the bit field on the heap. If well, actually, I think Bitvec does it automatically, so we should be fine.
Okay. Um, that should
Did you
be.
get the function?
I thought you were doing that. Hold on. Sorry, jeez.
Oh, so I was saying, yeah.
Oh, God, workhorse, apparently.
Mm.
Um, that's for peer actors. The input for peer actor, I think it's just here. So, okay, what is it? So async function handle. What is it?
Handle interest.
Just mute self. Returns nothing. It should take our bit field. Oh, it should take in the bit field that we just got, right?
No, it should already be in self.peer.pieces.
How are we gonna store that?
It's already stored. It's gonna be stored out after. It's gonna be stored before the function is ran.
But how are we gonna XOR the old bit field with a new bit field?
No, we're zoring our bit field versus their bit field. So a torrent instance bit field.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you want to ask the torrent for the bit field?
Yeah, ask the torrent for the bit field,
Okay.
and it'll just send it to us.
Let bit field. Okay, let me just copy this from down here. Yoink, yoink, paste, yoink. Okay. That should be self.supervisor. What is message? Message is this. Okay, so then let me look up I know it's already on there, but I need to remember how to do it. It should be. So okay, hold on. Let me think. So it should be. Oh, here, let me do this.
I'm pretty sure you can
R
you can
field.
just put the logical or on the and it should just work because it's a operator
Oh right,
override.
yeah, because it's a trait, isn't it?
Yeah. You should
Wait,
be able to.
but it's a Zor, not an Orb.
Does Zora have an operator?
If there is one, that should work. But I don't know if it does.
So let me see.
Here, I can always just here. I think it should be like I don't know. Wait, hold on. Let's see what it is. I think it's like dot Zor dot bit. I forget what it is. Let me look. Bitvec trait impl. Bitvec and bitvec trait. If I search for Zor, there we go. Bitzor. I think there is. Let me look. Yeah. Here. It's just. It's the caret operator, I think, as far as I'm aware. So it pieces our bit field, but we're gonna have to, because we have to find a way to actually compare those. So that gives us a bitvec, but I think it should. I think, as far as I know, I think we should do. There's not any, right? Because as long as any bits are one.
Yeah, so all we want to do is so what we want to do is we want to check if we have any if they have any bits that we don't have.
Okay.
So we're looking for I believe there's an I need to pull up my video. Pull up my video. I have a video. I have a video for this I sent in chat at some point.
Dude, it's just
The
Zor.
questions
It's
now.
not. You can just look at a Venn diagram.
Okay. Or this diagram doesn't make sense to me.
Dude, wait, the
I need to look at a table.
the Venn diagram, dude. What?
Yeah, it doesn't make sense to me.
It's
Eat my brain.
how, dude. How? Chat. This
Oh no.
chat.
Oh
Safe
no.
man. Safe man. I love you, man. But dude, look, here, here, uh, here. Just go to my stream, and we're gonna walk you through this. We're gonna walk you through this. Okay.
That doesn't make.
Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna share my screen with you. I'm gonna.
I'm not smart enough for this.
You're fine. You're like literally a genius. Hold on. Okay. So, okay.
Not smart enough
If we have
for this.
two circles, if we have okay, how can I do this? If this is the bus, okay, if you're in this circle, you like riding the bus. If you're in this circle, over here, you like riding your bike. If I bike, if I am in this circle, I only like riding my bike. If I am in this circle, I only like riding the bus. What happens if I am in both circles?
You go in the middle.
Yeah. What happens if I'm in both circles? What do I like?
Both bikes and buses.
Yes. Okay. So, with the exclusive or, we're saying, we're doing this, but we're instead saying, here, let me think of how to describe this. If the bit is flipped or not. So, okay, so if the bit is 1, if, let's just say left bit is 1, right? And then this is if the right bit is 1. You get the point. Okay, so imagine we're doing a XOR on a bit field that looks like this. This is going to be
Mm.
our left. So here, let me color code this.
I'll speed this up. We gotta turn this into a YouTube short.
Um,
Anyways, yeah, continue.
oh, neat code style. Yeah, I could do that. Okay. So here. Okay, let's do 0, 1, 1, 0, right? And then do 1,
Yes.
0. Make sure I'm getting every combination. 1, 0. That gets me both. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is our right bit field. This is our left bit field. If the left bit is 1, okay, hold on. Hold on. Let's back up further. Okay, if we are in this shaded in area, right?
Yeah.
Or if we are in this shaded in area, a little magical box will return true. Okay? If we are in
Yes.
the center, that box will return false. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
So basically, so the outputting bit field here would just be um. So if you're in the center, will turn false, right?
Yes, let me make sure I am actually doing this right. Because to be false, false, false. This? Oh wait, okay. I kind of messed up the explanation.
Oh.
Okay, I take it back. I take it back, Your Honor. Okay, so no, it's not that far off. Um, okay, we're still not super far off. Okay, so okay, um, yeah, I didn't cook on this explanation. Um, okay, if the left bit is 1, uh, or the right bit is 1, this will output true. So this would be true. If the uh, left bit is 1 or the right bit is 0, this would output true. Now, if both the left and right bit are 1, we're going to go in the center here. Again, I kind of messed up the definition of
Yeah.
this Venn diagram a little bit. So we're ignore this for now. Um, we're gonna circle back on that later. Um, but
The both bits are 0.
yes, this is false, and then if both bits are 0, this is also false. Here, let me actually make sure I can explain this correctly with the Venn diagram because this should be like totally doable for
Okay.
me. Okay, so how do I? So if okay, so I guess we're in one circle if okay, we're only in the
So
center
it's
if
basically like if one or more is true, then return true. If there's none, then return false, basically.
no,
Okay.
if both are the same, return false. If they are different, return true.
So wait. So repeat that.
Okay, if both of them are the same, so either both zeros or both ones, return false.
Okay.
If both of them are different, return true. Here, just yeah,
Okay. Why not just do an and then? The and operator. Or why
because
wouldn't that
because
fit our use case better?
for our use case, hold on, let me look at the little spec we wrote for this because I know there was a reason for that. Um, I just forget why. Excuse me.
Because the point of what we're doing is just to the point of what we're doing is to check if we're interested in whatever pieces that peer has,
Yeah,
basically.
yeah. Hold on. So, okay, where would that be? That would be in wait, here. So we've been zip or function will act as expected because there's an irrational scenario. So, dang, seriously, not doc. Okay, well, note for the future: document why we use a certain function. Um, okay, well, 'cause if we have both pieces, then it doesn't really matter, does it?
So okay, so this is what I'm asking.
Hmm.
We have two bitvecs, right?
Hmm.
If we have the piece already,
Hmm.
return one. No, I mean don't have if you have the piece already,
Hmm.
return zero. If we don't have the piece already, return one. That's what I'm trying to do basically. And
Yes. That
then
yeah.
after we get that bitvec in results, then we would check if there's any ones at all in that bitvec,
Yeah.
or if it's null basically.
Yeah. Zora's fine for that. Um. Yeah, because that is, as you said, if we already have that piece, then we don't want to get it again. So that Zora is going to return false if both of them are one, but it'll also return false if both of them are zero, because if neither us or the peer have that piece, well, it's kind of useless, ain't it? Uh, but
Mhm.
if either we have the piece, or the peer has the piece, or sorry, if either we have the piece and the peer doesn't, or if the peer has the piece and we don't, then return true. Uh, yeah, or again one.
So if we have, so if neither party, so if they have any pieces that we don't have, so that means that okay, this is some complex logic right here.
It's a
'Cause
it's a
we have
Zora operator. It's a Zora
Let me
operator.
think. Let me think. Let me think. Let me think. Let me think.
Okay.
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 Let me learn, process, and contain new information. I knew how this worked.
Okay.
It's just stuff with bits and stuff. It's hard for me to visualize, so I need to like graph it out
I
in my
agree.
brain.
I agree. That's
So
fair.
it's just yeah, just I'm processing new information.
I know.
So
You,
we got this. I'm graphing out mad right now. We have this. So this would be 0, 1, 0. We have this, but they don't have this. This would be
okay.
0.
Christmas.
Oh wait, no. This would be 0, 0,
Some
0,
more
0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. See? That's right. Get off my screen, bro. Okay. 0, 0, 1. Is the same amount of zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You got this, buddy. I believe in you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This is delayed. Okay, are you sure that the and operator isn't what we need?
Yes, 100% sure, without a doubt.
Are you okay? Hold on, because just hold on. Let me. Okay,
I promise.
let me just double check something because I have a feeling that you might be having an Oscar moment. You might need the and operator.
bro. Why? Okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
Tell me why.
okay. No, no. Okay, so why not just have the and operator and then flip everything?
That's
Okay,
not going to work the way you think it's going to work. Okay, if we have the
okay.
and
No,
op.
no, no.
Okay.
Okay. Look. Here, let me send some binary in the development channel. Okay,
Okay.
this is what I'm visualizing, right?
Okay.
This is what we want the result to be.
Okay. Okay. Well,
That makes
let me
sense.
see. Let me see. Okay. Hold on. Why'd you have to make it so long? Oh my god. My
Well,
brain's
that's
tr-
it's
my
8
br-
bits.
my
It's 8
brain is.
bits.
Hold on. Let me throw this over here. Hold on. Wait. Wait is it? Oh, wait, I stopped streaming. Um, hold on. No, that's not right. It should be.
You
Uh,
think? Well, that's what we want back, isn't it? Because that is the one piece of the second bit back. has that the first one doesn't?
No, because we want to get pieces back. Because we want to we want that because we want to know if the peer has uh
Well,
sorry
no. So
that
the first bitvec would be us. That would be our bit field. Second one would be theirs.
yeah, yeah, that's fine. Because we just want to know if there are pieces uh that one of us has and the other doesn't.
Well, that isn't relevant to the interest because
Oh, you're right. My bad. Okay, point taken.
yeah, yeah, that isn't relevant to the interest because this is for us requesting pieces from them, basically.
Okay.
But we just want to know if they have any pieces that we actually need,
Okay.
essentially.
I feel personally attacked by that. That's okay.
What? What?
No, it's fine.
What did I do?
Okay. Okay. Um. Well, and can I just and I think just and those. I think. I don't.
Pretty sure it's just and yeah.
Yeah. Wait. Oh nope. 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 I
Hold
can.
on, I have a video. I'm gonna watch it
No.
again
I
so I can
think it.
remember this.
Um.
Was I right? Is it just and?
Bit back. Uh. And rust. Let me look. Let me look. Um.
Bit
Oh my gosh! Just show me the bitvec and impl
D
rust.
bitwise operators.
Bitvec and bitvec. There we go.
D bitwise
And
operation.
bit and I think it's just a single ampersand.
That's logical and.
Wait,
You should be able to put
expected type bool. There we go. Then just any. Um.
yeah.
Or wait, no flip. What's the function for that?
I'm pretty sure. Well, you can just check let overlaps equals self dot peer dot pieces. You sure you can just add a reference to this now. And
Maybe you're right.
our bit field. This work? Okay, no, we have to clone it, I guess.
Yeah, I don't know why.
So overlaps equals this. Okay, and then we would just do let overlaps equals overlaps dot flip.
I don't think flip is a function though. That that's what I was
Really?
confused about. Yeah.
Okay. There's no flip function?
There should be. I mean, there is.
Oh, I
should-
think it's negate. I think it's negate.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Yeah, never mind. No, it isn't.
Okay. Flip it. Here, let me see. Let me just flip.
Back.
Flip.
Flip. There's nothing that. What? How do you not have a bit flip?
No,
It's a bit back.
there has to be.
What?
There has to be.
What are we doing?
Huh? Is there actually no? There's no way.
I'm in denial. No, because I'm in denial. There's no way you have a bit back and no bit flip.
No, right?
What? It's like the most basic binary operation. Flip the
Hold on.
bits.
No. We have to be missing something. There's no way. Like that.
I'm searching it. There's no in the bitvec documentation.
Well,
There's
actually,
no
hold on.
usage of the word flip.
It doesn't matter anyways because we can just do overlaps dot what's the function to check that all of them are 0 or wait,
I don't think there is.
no, just it checks in.
Oh, is empty.
No, not is empty, just if there are any that are 0.
No, tests the bit vectorism. This is equivalent to bit slice isn't. Is provided method rather than deref is named. Hold on. What is this documentation?
Was it documentation that I wrote?
No, it's for bitvec.
Ah, okay. Okay. I was
Vec
gonna
is
say.
empty now. Okay. In iter that is sorted is insert uh oh leading zeros. Counts the number of bits from the starting bit slice. Trailing zeros, leading ones, trailing ones. Okay, a bunch of random functions that we don't need. Okay. No, it's fine.
Um. No, I mean leading zeros is fine. Just for this.
We can just check the leading zeros and see if it's equal to the length.
Well, no, because we just need to
That
check
would tell us.
for some zeros. No.
Yeah, but if we check the leading zeros, like the amount of leading zeros,
Mm-hmm.
and if leading zero, it would be all leading zeros if it's all zeros, right? So
Yeah.
it would just return the length of the. We can use that to verify if it's just zeros.
Mm-hmm.
Like if there's no overlaps and it just returns a blank bitvec,
Mm-hmm.
we can compare the length of leading zeros to the length of the bit field itself.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That's the way to measure. That makes sense.
Yeah. 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 That seems fine. No, but that should be fine either way. Um, auto moderator. Auto moderator. How do I get a moderator? How do hold on. I got spam on my Twitch chat. I can't. How do I kick so? How do I ban someone in Twitch chat? I see.
You just hover over their message and there should be like a bunch of icons that pop up.
There's like two icons that pop up: pin, and reply. Um,
Really?
yeah, literally.
Should be able to hover over their profile then. Or hover over their name.
War. Oh, there we go. Ban. There we go. Okay. My bad. Okay. Anyways, no, cause okay, so if we and it, we're looking for at least just 1 0. So as long as leading zeros is greater than 0, no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, as long as leading zeros, well, to check if okay, hold on, my brain's lagging. To check if they have any pieces that we don't, we would we would um we would check if their leading zeros is equal to their length, or
Hmm.
is equal to the length of the original bit field.
Okay.
So we would check, yeah, check leading zeros is equal to the length of the bit field, and then that's how we would check.
Wait. How are you still getting back to
Wait,
no? Because
changes the bit values of two indices. Wait, I think that's it. I think that's it. Spot swap.
oh, wait, let's see. Swap. There we go. I think you're right. Okay, so that's
Change the bit values. Oh wait, no. Wait, never mind. No, it
nope.
isn't.
Okay. Well, either way, it's fine. So just overlaps dot leading zeros is greater than 0. Um,
No, it would be greater overlaps at leading zeros. Would be well, because it should be of uh um it should be um it should be of our bit field dot length.
huh? Are you tweaking?
No.
How would the number of leading zeros ever be greater than the length of our bit field?
No. So here, if the entire bit field, if the overlaps, if all of the overlaps are zero, right? If
Mm-hmm.
all of the overlaps are zero, that
Mm-hmm.
means the leading zeros would be equal to the to so if um all of the
Jeez.
if all of the if the overlaps returns all zeros, then the leading zeros will be equal to overlaps dot length.
But they don't all need to be zeros.
I know, but wait, length. Okay. So this will always be true if this returns all zeros. So
Mm-hmm.
if this is true, then that means we know that it's all zeros, and that means we know there's no overlaps.
Yeah, but there can be some overlaps,
Okay, then now return false.
but we don't want it to return false.
That's what we want. We're coercing this into a Boolean. That's what we're trying to do.
Yeah, but there can be some overlaps, just as
Yeah,
long
yeah, and
as
then but then it will return false.
that. Seifu, you having a moment, just like I did.
No, brother. What? Okay.
Okay.
Leading zeros. Okay, if the whole overlaps is zeros, then it will be then the leading zeros, the number it returns will be the exact same as the length of the overlaps. Do we agree on that?
Yes.
Okay, so checking this, so then we can do is no overlaps equals this, right?
Yes.
So we agree on this, right?
No, but we can have overlaps.
No. What I'm saying is this will never be true if there's no overlaps, basically.
Yes, that's great. That's not practical to our situation. We are only asking
What?
if there are if there are at least no overlaps.
Oh my God, Oscar.
We're not.
Okay. Oscar.
There,
Okay.
there can be some overlaps.
Yes, that's fine. This determines if there is any or not.
But why we're we're using that for this boolean? All we need to do is just make sure that there's all we need to do is make sure that there is
Okay, do you know what the leading zeros function does, Oscar?
it gets all of the zeros. Sorry, it gets the number of zeros. Um,
It gets the number of zeros in a bit.
yes,
Correct, right?
yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, zeros in
So,
a bit vec. My
okay. So, if let's say this is Python. You have this,
Yes.
right? You have that, right?
Hmm.
This dot leading zeros is whatever the length of the original thing is. So this is the same as going overlaps dot length, right?
Yes.
So if we have this is now no longer the same as going leading zeros. In length are now no
Yes.
longer the same.
No, but
Right. They
Seifu,
return
yes,
different values
yes,
now.
Seifu, yes, I agree with you on that. Yes, I am aware that that is the case. But the fact of the matter is that when we check this to see if we want to send an interested message, we're not concerned if there are absolutely no overlaps. We're concerned that there is
Some
that.
overlaps. You just inverse the Boolean, Oscar.
What do you mean?
So we know that there's no overlaps, meaning that we send a not interested message. Else, then we send a interested message.
Why didn't you just say that? You could have
Like
said
two and
just
two together.
you could have. Ow, you're so bad at explaining things. Oh my god. Okay.
I think it's
Okay.
just late.
No. We're talking about
It's
this
just
after
late.
stream. We're talking about this after stream. If not, no overlaps. Trace. I only need trace. That's fine. Okay, there.
Okay. Then, else.
Okay, fair enough. Yeah, no, not interested. Okay.
Okay. So
Oh my god.
now, this will
Gonna make me
Do
crash
you
out.
even need mute self for this?
Supervisor. Oh yeah, for stream. I was gonna say.
Oh,
I
okay.
thought I
And
thought I
then
had to add that.
we also need to update the self dot here dot am that am interested.
Yeah.
Oh,
Let
we could
me.
just do this right here and set it to over no overlaps or
Okay.
inverse this.
Yeah. There we go. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so this will set that, and then now we handled interest,
Mhm.
and then we can go down to the bit field
Mhm.
message, and then that
Self.
should run. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay, so that runs. So now that will handle interest. We're interested in them or
Mhm.
whatever.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Okay.
and then if they send us,
Yeah. Okay. You want to commit the stuff that you already have added or whatever, um, and then commit that.
what do you mean stuff that I already had added? Oh, everything before this?
Yeah.
Sure.
Or however you want
Uh,
to commit that. I'm not actually sure. Um,
the kind of complicated to commit. Honestly, I think we just say screw it and just commit all at once,
honestly, that's
and just
fair. I mean,
and just name
it's
it to feed or refactor move handle pure logic into pure actor.
sounds good to me, buddy. Let's do it. Yeah, here, hold on. I think I just
Refactor
add
move
all of it
handle
there. Okay.
handle pure logic into
Pure actor.
pure actor. Okay.
Okay.
Commit.
Push that.
Okay.
Yeah, pushed.
Push. Okay. Push. It's pushed.
Okay.
Okay. So, are we ending here, or are we gonna keep coding?
Yes, because I am tired. But I
Okay.
will
Fair enough.
probably go play Valorant for the next hour before I go to sleep. Because
Fair enough. Fair enough.
I have no discipline whatsoever. Okay, thanks for watching, chat. Good night. I need to figure out how to end
Yep.
my stream on Twitch. I'll figure that out, I guess. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Hold on. I gotta end my stream on Twitch.
Close
So
OBS.